Hi guys, if you don't know me, my name is Jonathan and I study in English Teaching Department, Islamic State University in Semarang. Today I'm going to be talking about an English learning application, namely Simpler and how to use it. Have you ever used an application to learn English but after using it, you still have difficulty understanding English? Introduce an application namely Simpler, which will make English simpler for you. You can simply find it on the Play Store or just click the link in description below. So let's move to the application. Once you open the application, you will find two options. You can choose for beginner to learn English from basic or choose for advanced if you feel your English is good enough. Don't worry, our instruction and hints will be displayed in Indonesian. There will be some questions that you must answer when you choose for advanced. All you have to do is answer whether a statement is true or false. You don't need to worry if your answer is wrong, because this question will determine your level of study. If you have finished answering all the questions, you will know which level you are at. There are 4 levels that you can choose later in the setting. They are elementary, pre-intermediate, intermediate, and upper intermediate. Each level contains several lessons that you have to do. The aim of this game is to pass all the lessons to get a certificate at the end of each level. So, why don't we jump straight into the lesson and try a few games? Now you see 3 simple steps to complete the lesson. They are vocabularies, rules, and simulators. The first step is vocabularies. In this step, you will learn some new vocabularies and how to pronounce them. You can see the picture for hints if you don't know the meaning of those words.
Bore, inspire, exhibition, encourage,
The second step is the rules. This step will start with grammatical rule, so you must read carefully to be able to answer the questions. In the question section, you need to arrange words in the right order to make a sentence according to the rule you have learned before.
he has a lot of annoying habits. Can you build a flying car? Turn on some relaxing.
You can also set a reminder to learn English. The last step is simulators. Here you will practice how to make a sentence correctly.
I think this movie is very inspiring. He has a few interesting ideas.
You can also buy the premium version to unlock many good features. The detective game will be available if you have purchased the premium version. It will help you a lot in understanding English in real conversation. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do put all of your thoughts and comments in the comment section below on everything I've spoken about in today's video. I'll see you on the next video. Stay safe and well. Goodbye.